Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is
the
chocolate
break.
We've lost our special guest.
Yeah.
Well, yet again, I think he's finding that staying up late and being on our sordid little confection program is just not to his liking as much as he thought.
Not his thing.
He's been chanting chocolate break every once in a while lately, and we thought, hey, what a perfect day to...
Why not let him stay up late and have some chocolate?
Chocolate's good.
And then...
But I think he's falling asleep underneath
Well, I mean,
us.
under the desk.
Teasers,
Malteasers.
Yeah. These are everywhere in Canada.
Are they?
Maltesers?
Yeah?
Yeah. These are inescapable. We see them every time we go to every place. But we've never had them.
No, we have not.
I'm going to guess that they're like malted milk.
Malted milk.
I'm going with it's just a catch on the term malt.
Looks like it has a disease.
Yeah.
little
polyps.
Polyps all over.
Yeah. I don't know. They're Maltesers. Yeah?
Why not? It looks like they got rice poofs.
Poofulent.
Poofulent.
Cheers.
And poofs. Boop. You almost remind me of Whoppers. Like the taste of Whoppers. The Whoppers have all that crunchy center. It's like they take the crunchy center and just kind of make little
nodules. Yeah.
Unimpressive.
Here comes Miles. Hi, Miles.
Hi, Miles.
How was your adventure?
Better.
Was it good?
Good.
You want to try this one? Eat?
Gonna eat.
Go ahead. Take a bite.
Take a bite.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 2.5.
Even at a 1. It's like a Whopper, so it's basically like a malted milk ball, but way more chocolate than malt, and it's giving me that burny feeling in the back of my throat. I'm good. The burn.
Alright, well, let's see if this next one is any better. Neilson Jersey Milk.
Moo.
Milk chocolate.
Moo.
What makes that sound?
Moo.
Duck says quack. Cow says moo. Jersey milk, not Guernsey milk, not dog milk, but we're not going to go into that
No,
again.
let's not talk about dog milk.
Oh, yeah. I have a feeling. Oh. Where'd that go? No. 1.5 stars.
Ooh, I'm going with 0.
Really? That's the same as like a Hershey bar.
No, it's not. It's more milky, not very flavorful.
Well, it is milk chocolate. Sugar, milk, and a sprinkle of cacao. All right?
Alright, well.
Oh, that's it for this episode.
That's it for this episode.
Oh.
Unless Miles has anything to add.
No, he does not.
That's it then.
All right. Well,
until next time.
enjoy yourselves, your dreams, and all within, because they're gonna be gone soon after what happens in about 3 weeks happens. So bye-bye.